Master Carpenter Matt Jackson, inviting you to spend a few minutes with a master. You know, job sites are full of potentially dangerous things to step on, over, through, and around. And climbing on roofs and walls during framing adds a whole nother dimension for danger. So the last thing I want to worry about is tripping over my boot laces. So today, I'll show you the ridiculously simple but highly effective method that I use to tie slippery, round boot laces. And it's guaranteed to hold all day until I decide to untie them. Ready? Go. The good thing about these round laces is that they cinch up quickly to keep my foot snug and secure. The bad thing is that with a normal knot, they can become loose quickly and untie at the worst possible moment. It's a good thing that YouTube provides video and audio for your senses, but not olfactory output. Because I've been wearing this highly experienced old pair of Carolina boots for almost 5 years, and they're a bit ripe. So just in case YouTube ever starts providing smell for video in HD, I'll show you how I tie this knot on the brand new pair of boots I got when I contacted Carolina Shoes and said I was going to do this video featuring my favorite work boot, their men's 6-inch broad toe wedge work boot. I've been wearing this exact style boot for almost 20 years as a self-employed remodeling carpenter contractor, plus some years before that. Later in this video, I'll tell you why I recommend these Carolinas to anyone who wants a durable, good-looking, and amazingly comfortable boot for general carpentry. But for now, no matter your preference for work boots or shoes, you need to know how to tie them so that they stay tied and you stay safe and comfortable. This method starts out exactly like you've been tying your laces forever. Snug up the laces so your foot feels comfortable in the boot. I'm showing this done right-handed and looking down at my foot. Duh. But it works fine left-handed as long as you reverse everything. First, cross the laces left over right, tuck the left lace under the right, and take up slack. These next two steps make all the difference. Cross the laces a second time, going right over left this time to form a loop. Now poke a bend of the right lace down through the loop. Next, do the same with the left lace, but poke the bend up through the loop. Now you should have 2 rabbit ears poked through the loop. Simply pull on the rabbit ears until the knot is tight, and you're good to go. Hard to believe something so simple can be so effective, right? I've used this method to tie everything from work boots to dress shoes. Looks like it's time for pizza and a movie. From hiking and mountaineering boots, ready to head to the mountains, to shoes specific to rock climbing and mountain biking, and it's never failed me. Woohoo! Time to hit the mountain bike trail. Nice, right idea, but the wrong video. Better still is that when you do want to untie them, you just pull the ends like you normally would, then kick off your boots and kick back at day's end with peace of mind from the fact that you didn't waste an extra minute retying laces all day. Geez, you'd think I was offering the solution to world hunger with all that blather about tying your shoelaces. And now, here's my review of these Carolina 6-inch broad toe wedge work boots for anyone interested in knowing why I rave about them. For starters, these are, hands down, the most comfortable work boot I've ever worn. They're so comfy, there's times I wear them when I'm not working just because they make my feet so happy. Slip your feet into a pair of these and you won't believe the cushy insole. It's the same reaction you'd have hopping into a 1-ton work truck and finding climate-controlled leather seats and a Rolls Royce ride. I mainly do custom design, build, millwork, and cabinetry, so I really like the cushy but durable sole. With shallow lugs, it has enough grip to stick to slick metal roofing. It's soft enough for hardwood floors or tile. It doesn't leave black marks on light floors, and the material is remarkably durable, as you can see from the wear pattern of this nearly 5-year-old pair. These low-top leather toe work boots aren't the right footwear for many trades like ironwork, all-day concrete projects, logging, etc. But they're ideal for carpentry if you ask me. You didn't, but I'm telling you anyways. This is my second pair of the same boot in the steel-toed high-top version for commercial construction, concrete, demolition work, and stuff like that. They have the same fit and comfort of the 6-inch style, which is a huge plus where steel toe protection is preferred or required. I bought these some years back, and they're still brand new because I've done far less of that level of rugged work in recent years. I'd give up some durability and appearance for this kind of comfort, but with these boats, I don't have to sacrifice either. I usually have 2 pair on the shelf. the new pair and the last pair, so I don't have to wallow in mud or concrete with the same pair I wear when meeting with clients or installing custom millwork. Most everyone already has a personal favorite work boot, but if you're looking for a change or just an upgrade, I highly recommend you add these to any list of options. If you learned something new and or like this video, hit the thumbs up for me so other viewers know it's worthwhile. And consider subscribing to Next Level Carpentry if you haven't already. It's free and you'll be notified every time I upload content I feel will help you take your skills to the next level. And as always, thanks for watching.